The deepest point in the ocean is known as the Challenger Deep. The Challenger Deep is located in the Mariana Trench, which is in the western Pacific Ocean. The Challenger Deep is located in international waters and is not subject to the jurisdiction of any particular country. The Mariana Trench and the Challenger Deep have been the subject of popular fascination and inspiration for writers, filmmakers, and explorers for many years. The Mariana Trench was first mapped in detail by the HMS Challenger in the late 1800 seconds. The depth of the Challenger Deep is estimated to be around 36.70 feet or 10,994 meters. It is the lowest point on Earth's surface. The pressure at the bottom of the Challenger Deep is around 8 tons per square inch, which is over 1,000 times the standard atmospheric pressure at sea level. The temperature at the bottom of the Challenger Deep is near freezing. The Challenger Deep is one of the least explored areas on Earth. The Challenger Deep is one of the most extreme environments on Earth. The Challenger Deep is completely dark. The Challenger Deep is only one small part of the Mariana Trench. The Challenger Deep is located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, which is known for its volcanic and seismic activity. The Challenger Deep was first explored in 1960 by the bathyscaphe Trist. The Trist took almost 5 hours to descend to the bottom of the Challenger Deep. The Trist remained on the bottom for only 20 minutes due to technical difficulties. The pressure at the bottom of the Challenger Deep is so immense that it would crush a human being or any submarine not specifically designed to withstand it. The only living organisms found at the bottom of the Challenger Deep are bacteria and some species of single-celled animals. The Challenger Deep is about 200 times darker than a moonless night. The Challenger Deep is so deep that it takes almost 4 hours for sound to travel from the surface to the bottom. The Challenger Deep has been explored by a variety of unmanned vehicles, including remotely operated vehicles and autonomous underwater vehicles. The Challenger Deep has been visited by only a handful of humans. The Challenger Deep is surrounded by a series of trenches and ridges that form some of the deepest and most challenging environments on Earth. The Mariana Trench is formed by the collision of two tectonic plates. The Mariana Trench is approximately 1,550 miles long and 44 miles wide. The Mariana Trench is deeper than Mount Everest is tall. The water pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench is equivalent to the weight of about 50 jumbo jets. The exact depth of the Challenger Deep difficult to measure accurately due to the extreme pressure and other factors. The Challenger Deep and the Mariana Trench are still being actively studied and researched by scientists and researchers around the world. In 2012, filmmaker James Cameron became the first person to solo dive to the bottom of the Challenger Deep in the Deep Sea Challenger submersible. The Deep Sea Challenger is capable of withstanding the immense pressure of the Challenger Deep. Cameron's dive to the bottom of the Challenger Deep took about 2.5 hours to reach the bottom, and he spent about 3 hours on the ocean floor before returning to the surface. Cameron's dive to the Challenger Deep was part of a scientific research mission, and he collected samples and conducted experiments while on the ocean floor. The Challenger Deep is home to a unique ecosystem of organisms adapted to living in extreme conditions, such as high pressure and low temperatures. The deep-sea organisms found at the bottom of the Challenger Deep are of great interest to scientists studying life in extreme environments. The extreme conditions at the bottom of the Challenger Deep also make it an ideal location for testing and developing new technologies for deep-sea exploration and research. The water at the bottom of the Challenger Deep is nearly free of dissolved oxygen, making it difficult for most organisms to survive. The extreme pressure at the bottom of the Challenger Deep also causes water to compress, making it denser than water at the surface. In addition to scientific research, the Mariana Trench and the Challenger Deep have also been the site of military operations, such as the recovery of sunken submarines and the testing of new submarine technology. The Challenger Deep and the Mariana Trench remain among the most mysterious, fascinating places on Earth, and are sure to continue to inspire exploration and discovery for many years to come.